In this tutorial, we will create a spatial table, connect it to a custom code list, and style it. First, we create a spatial table named landuse_2026 and add it to our workspace. Next, we digitize a few polygons on the map to represent different land use areas. Now we need a code list. We create a second, non-spatial table called Codelist, with columns for the class code and the class name. We open the attribute browser to populate our code list with actual values, such as forest and residential. To connect the two tables, we open the land use layer properties and configure a drop-down list. Using the advanced SQL mode, we write a quick query to fetch the lookup values directly from our codelist table. When we edit our land use polygons now, we can easily assign classes using the drop-down menu that is populated by our code list. Finally, we can visualize our data by creating a thematic map. We generate categories based on the class code, apply distinct colors, and instantly see our dynamically styled land use map.